but just put the knife down.
No!
Put the knife down.
Put
Put the knife down.
Hey, no, man.
Put the knife down.
Come down, Jimmy, come down.
No!
Hey, Jimmy, come down.
You put a gun over here, huh?
Jimmy, hey, his knees on. Hey, here.
No!
Don't do it, man. Hey,
Lead 2, 10, 3. If somebody has a flex, bring it. He's on the rooftop. He's armed with one knife. Get it. Keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him. Don't do it. Get down.
Shoot me! Come on!
Get down. Get down.
Come on!
Don't throw that brick. Don't throw the brick.
come down.
Get back.
Come back!
Please come down, bro. Get out of here.
No! That's my brother!
Don't over. Get on that side of the house. I already asked for that. Just stay on that side of the house. Slow down. Just stay right there. Stay right there.
No!
Stay right there, buddy.
No!
Just stay right there. All I want to do is help you.
You!
All I want to do is help
Come
you.
here!
Get inside the house. Get inside the house.
You're gonna
Just stay right there.
Come down, bro. Come down.
Just stay right there, bud. Nobody wants to hurt you.
stop!
Hey, come down, please.
Hey. I'm gonna need the flex on the east side of the residence. He's on a tree, trying to get down.
So, hey, how can we help you? Hey, if there's someone in the backyard, go inside the house and lock the door. I don't know if there's someone back there. Yeah, he's going down. Hey.
Kill me!
Hey, drop the knife, buddy. Drop me, Jaime. Please drop me.
I would!
Thank you.
They're gonna
Go
cut me
ahead
up
and
in
start
pieces,
the
dog!
stand
No,
in.
we're not. No, we're not.
No, yeah, you, yeah!
No, we're not. Hey, you gotta stay back.
Hey, bring me water!
Hey, right now. Hey, do you want a water? Hey, officers. Hey, stop.
Calm down.
You want a water?
Yep!
Jaime.
Yeah, you!
Jason, hey, Kirasawa. Kirasawa.
Stand by. We're dealing with this guy.
No!
Hey, do you want some water?
Hey, stop!
Stay right there, buddy.
Ah!
Can I help you? Let me get you some water.
Hey, ah!
Just stay right. Hold on, buddy. We're trying to get you some help.
Hey, can I stop him? Hey, stop!
Look at you. He's coming off the wall.
No!
Hey,
Go start meds and have him stand off.
hey, Jaime.
Don't do that, buddy.
Hey, stop! Please, stop! Oh! Taser, please, don't just shoot him! Let him shoot me, fool!
Jaime, we're not gonna hurt you. Jaime, we're not gonna hurt you.
Hey, why is it just 2 units?
But they're gonna turn me in!
Go that way, go that way.
Hey, I'm putting the fans right now.
Huh?
What are you guys?
You done? Turn on your gut now.
Turn on your gun.
Turn on your gut.
Turn around.
Get down, stay down. Get down. Get the knife out. Get your taser out. Get out.
Fighting with one.
He's got
Let go.
Hey, stop!
Stop it! Stop! Stop! Stop.
Thinking 2, 10, 14, 18.
Hey, stop! I had to come down, please. Hey! Hey, stop something.
I got his wrist.
Thinking 2, 10, 14, 18.
Okay. We need to get him cuffed and up.
What?
We need to get him cuffed. He's starting to lose consciousness. We need to get him up.
We need to get him cuffed.
Cuff first and then up. He's losing consciousness. Come on, get him up. See? See? Get him up. Okay.
Come on. Turn him over. He's losing consciousness. He's losing consciousness.
Okay. Okay.
Come on.
Let's get medics. There you go. Here, sit him up. Yeah, we need to get medics over here. Yeah, they're standing up. He's losing consciousness. Okay. We need medics. Yep. What's your name, buddy? He's passed out. He's out.
You alright, buddy?
Alright.
Put him in. Get him up. Watch out.
Watch the door. There you are. Stay with us, buddy.
Let's get that other arm to get in that recovery position.
Can you help him get him this way? Put his arm underneath him. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go. Alright. Just give him a butt. There you go. I'll meet him. You guys can get him cuffed. Got the cuffs? Yeah, get him up. Hey, buddy. Okay? Can you go that way? Keep breathing. Keep breathing normal, buddy.
He got another injury coming to clean me up.
Hey, how's your thumb?
You guys, you got something to clean me up?
Yeah, dude. Come here. Did you get cut?
No, he bit me.